How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is check if your Instagram app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you'll land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. With that, you'll land to the settings and activity page. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option of notifications. Open it. Now navigate to this option of quiet mode. Open it. When this is on, your status and auto reply will be automatically updated to in quiet mode. You'll get a reminder 10 minutes before quiet mode starts. In order to enable it, toggle on for the option of quiet mode. Now go ahead and set the timer. Select the start time and select the end time. Likewise, choose the days. After you are done, you can head back. With that, you have just enabled quiet mode on your Instagram. Well, this is how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.